Sham. I'm the head roaster here at Allegro Coffee. I've been working in coffee for about 9 years now. I started out as a barista. I was just looking for work after college. I wanted to work for a small business, and so working for a coffee shop just made a lot of sense. One way or another, I found myself roasting coffee, and I learned a lot of things in college that I didn't think I would use in everyday life, but as is the case with working in small business or working in different fields of work, is I use all sorts of subjects. So I'm working in what is effectively food science. I studied business, but working in coffee roasting is a food science. So if you study business or engineering, you can find yourself in manufacturing, but if you're working in food manufacturing, then food science is all of a sudden very relevant. So I took a chemistry class in college because I went to a liberal arts school, but I didn't need to do it, but I use it pretty often. A few other things that are really practical that I use all the time is knowing how to use Microsoft Office, Microsoft Suite. Knowing Excel is super important. You could do all sorts of like systems processes or data analysis, even just really simple things to try and improve your systems, or do a quick analysis of your team, your sales, all sorts of different data points that you're looking for to kind of improve your business or improve your workplace.
Hello, my name is Roberta and I'm part of the QA team. I have been with Allegro 9 years now. This is one of our equipments that we use. It is called the Impicon that we do our testing on to see if our product is in spec. We would grab one of our products that we pull off the line. During this process, we will cover the valve. We will set our what kind of product we are running. Upload it, and then we will close the lid and start the testing. And this is our result. This is a failed test.
I'm doing ROTAP. It's a test to figure out how fine or coarse our grinds are when we're doing ground coffee. Because we do 3 different kinds of grinds here in Allegro. We do ED, which is the normal coffee maker grind. Then we do MD and UR, and those are more for cafe use in bulk lots. To start the ROTAP, first we have to weigh out the pan by itself without any coffee. And then we weigh out 100 grams of whatever grind we're testing at the moment. Which, right now I'm testing an ED from our 1.5 bags. And then once we do that, we go out onto the floor and put it through our ROTAP machine, which taps and moves the tower in a circular position at the same time for 5 minutes. And then once that's done, we bring it back into the lab and weigh each pan out with the coffee in it. And then we can either use a calculator to calculate the difference between the 2 weights, or we have an Excel spreadsheet on our SharePoint to figure out the difference. And then we compare our profile to what we have on file. And that's how we do ROTAP.
What's up? I'm Cody. I'm the shipping team leader here at Allegro. Been with the company a little over 5 years now. Started out as ATL, moved my way up to team leader. Prior to this, I started out in just general warehouse picking and packing orders. Eventually moved to inventory control position, and then after that was given a supervisor position, and then just kept moving my way up. Best part, about the job, warehousing is it's physical, so it gives you a good workout, as well as the people as well. It's just part of the processes, and understanding and knowing what you're doing to get the product to the customer is the one of the major contributes to the job as well. Sorry, you can cut it. Yeah, so these orders here are completed. They're already picked. We're getting ready to pack them, tape them up here on our tape machine, and then it moves them down the line to start shipping to our manifestations and going out UPS here. One of our cooler machines here takes the box for us, so we eliminate all the hand packing that we used to do with the tape guns here. It eliminates that part, so now all we have to do is push it through, make sure it feeds through the machine, and it makes our job a lot easier as well.
Rooms actually are really great.
All right, yeah, my name's Jack St. John. I've been with the company, I've been with Allegro going on 3 years. I've been with Whole Foods for going on 6 years. I am the receiver for the inventory control team. So any shipments we get in, I kind of unload them safely. I make sure it's what we ordered, everything looks right, no funny business. I organize it, make sure it's in our system, and then I put it in the warehouse and make sure the correct amount is going to the correct location so we can find it in the computer. Pretty basic. I usually just say I drive forklifts around all day. Yeah, that's the gist of what I do.